This 2026 CrossRoads Zinger 390DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 43 feet 1 inch in length and features a desert interior, sleeps 7, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, stovetop burner, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, awning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 CrossRoads Zinger 390DB is 10,420 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.